Hi, today I'm going to be telling you how to use Google Drive in 2025. So, if this is your first foray into cloud storage and all of those sorts, I'm going to be telling you the ins and outs about what cloud storage is and how you can utilize it. So, if you don't know what cloud storage is, right now you're on your PC, right? Or maybe you're on your phone and you have local storage. What local storage is basically storage that's on or in your laptop and or on your phone, right? It's something that's attached to your laptop and something that's attached to your phone and something that you have physically on you, right? So, for example, here I have my PC and this is my local storage. It means my storage is exactly attached to my PC. So, if it's cloud storage, instead, we're going to be utilizing a online storage, right? So in Google, they have a server or a bank of storage, and in here, you can upload files into here and they'll store it for you, and then you can use this as a way to download files, share files, and all of those things, right? So for example, here on Drive, if you open it up, this is what it will look like. For example, if you want to upload a file, you just have to click on New here. On New, there's a couple of options you can use, like New Folder, File Upload, or Folder Upload. Let's try uploading a file. So let's do File Upload here, and I'm going to go to one of my thumbnails here, for example. So thumbnails, I'm going to go to one of my folder here. I'm just going to upload one of my thumbnails here. So this first one, for example, I'm going to double click it, and you can see on the bottom right here, it'll say starting upload. Now the upload is complete. Now I have my image here online. So this is on Google's storage and I can access it anytime. But don't worry, Google won't pry into any of your files, right? So not so much. So don't worry about the privacy. It's completely secure and you don't have to worry about your files getting hacked or anything like that. So what can we do with this file that's online? Well, we can share it to people and we can download it as well. And we can also use Google Drive as a backup, right? So in case if our local storage fail, we have this backup on the internet and Google storage or Google Drive will not ever fail. So no matter what happened, your file will always be safe. That's a guarantee, right? So unless like local storage, which can fail, which can break, Google Drive or cloud storage very, very rarely breaks. So any file you upload to the cloud will always be safe. So from here, if for example, if we have our image like this, we can click on this button to share. And on share, let's make it into anyone with the link. And if I copy this link and I give it to my friend, give it to my family, I could share it with them and like, hey, check out this picture, for example, and they could see the picture and they can also download the picture as well, right? There's a lot of other things that Drive do as well. For example, if I click on new, I can click on new folder. So for example, if I want to organize this, I want to organize this into the pictures folder. For example, pictures, I can just drag and drop just like that. I have my picture now organized. I can also have a computer section here. This is like an automatic sync, so an automatic backup, things like that. You can also do shared with me here, recent, start. So if you start a file, for example, I have this one PNG, I can start this if I'd like. I can share it as well. I can make a copy. I can rename it. I can organize it. Here is the start section. So it's like a important things. There you go. If I start it, it'll be right here. There's also a spam section. There's a trash section and there's a storage section. This is where you can see the ins and out of what your storage is used to. So if spam, what this means is that usually if you get Gmail or email from your Google account, it will use your Google Drive as storage for those email as well. So if you get mail, it'll be up here. If it's spam, it'll definitely be here as well. So that is the basic of what you can do in Drive. I heavily recommend you to experiment with it and be curious about what kind of cloud storage can do for you. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.